Good morning, everyone. This morning we are making bread. So only need a little bit more rising. And we're gonna go outside. We're gonna make the fire, and hopefully this will make a nice little bread. All right, let's go. So the heater is currently on in the van just because I want the bread to be warm in the rice. So it's gonna be on for a little bit. I'm gonna shut it off. The fire is doing good. I just need a couple, 3 sticks to make my triangle support for Dutch oven. I'm gonna cook on that this morning. So we need 3 branch. Whew. It's warm enough here. Aww, my little bread. I wish that the bread would have rice a little bit more. It's gonna be a mini loaf. I cut the recipe in half, so maybe that's the reason. And it's super cute. So that's gonna go in the Dutch oven with the parchment paper. It's gonna be easier to get it out. Smoky. Smoke in the eyes. So in 20-25 minutes, it should be ready. Pretty excited. I was supposed to make some muffin this morning, to be quite honest. And I came here last night, and I was like, oh, tomorrow morning I'm gonna make a little muffin on the Dutch oven on a campfire. And turned out that I don't have the little cup to make the muffins. I have everything except the little cup, and I was like, ah. So this morning when I woke up, I was just like, oh, what I'm gonna make, and I was like, oh, let's make some bread. That's gonna be good. It's been a while since I'm making bread, so. There's a nice big tree that split. I felled. I think we could reuse some of those. Look pretty dry too. I think might be ready, guys. Oh, aww, it's cute. The harder part is we need to let that cool down a little bit. Don't worry, I'm gonna eat when it's warm, but still need to rest for 5 minutes. Now I'm debating how I'm gonna eat that, with butter or peanut butter. My heart say butter. You know, a warm bread with butter melting. So I think it's gonna be that. Maybe peanut butter too. Maybe one with peanut butter, one with butter. Big debate this morning. All right, let's grab what we need for the rest. Look how cute this is. Get out! We tried to eat. My goodness. Decide to smoke just when we decide to cut. That's gonna be so so good. So I just looked at the recipe because I was like, this bread is small and I was hoping for a bigger bread. But I did, like I said, after the recipe, because I didn't want like too big bread, which I thought that's what the recipe was about. But just look, and it is two kind of like size of sandwich bread, like little bun that was supposed to make. I was like, oops. Oh, not bad. I doesn't want to fix on this. Okay. I mean, it cannot be bad, the bread, even if you not make it perfect. A lot of butter. Cannot be better, guys. Cannot be better. So for Black Friday, I buy myself a Dutch oven case, bag, whatever you want to call it. I took one size bigger, so this is a 10 inches and this bag is a 12, sorry. Oh yeah, that's good, that's good. So the Dutch oven came with like a little cooking thing that I didn't really pay attention that much, but so I wanted to put my brush to clean. That's why I took like one size bigger, and I think I'm gonna put my gloves too at the same time. Even on top like this. Oh yeah. Love it. So I do have half of the bread left. I'm not gonna eat this one right now, for later. And I think what I've done the mistake. One mistake maybe I should have not split in half the recipe, and I think maybe the water that I put was a little bit too hot, because I didn't want to put that like super icy cold water that I have on the side of the door. So I warm up a little bit of water and it was too warm, and I put some cold water into the warm water to make it like room temperature more, but maybe it killed a little bit the yeast, maybe a little bit. And it's hard in the van to have a good temperature. The heater was on, it was pretty good, but it might have affected a little bit too as well. Overall, not too bad. A little bit more dense that, you know, an expert will have done it. But pretty good. Pretty good. So my fire's almost done out. It's cold since the fire is out. I was just like, oh. It's the last day before another rain session for another week, I think, or so. So it's kind of gloomy and damp today. So I think I'll bring Kitty outside. We're gonna go for a little walk, warm up, because it's chilly. She's got a mohawk on. Is it chilly? I can see a little mohawk. I can see it. All right, let's go. We're gonna go for a walk. You ready to go inside? Yeah, it's cold, eh? Good girl. Yeah, I don't know if it's actually cold or just me because of, you know, I'm just almost done with my actual cold. But I feel cold right now. So I think for the rest of the day I'm just gonna snuggle in bed. I do have a bunch of movies that I download. I think that's gonna be a nice little rest of the afternoon treats, and I hope you enjoy. We are close to 75,000 subscribers, by the way, guys. I didn't thought ever in my life that would go that far. But yeah, if you enjoy those type of video, if you're not subscribed, maybe if you think you subscribed, sometimes I know some people tell me that they thought that they were subscribed but they're not. Maybe check, maybe subscribe if you're not, and to join the big family. So maybe we're gonna hit 75,000 for the end of the year. That'd be awesome. That'd be a great Christmas Christmas gift. And I'm gonna let you with Miss Kenny, obviously. Leave you. I've done that mistake again. I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kenny. Did you enjoy the day, Kitty? Yeah, a little bit of time outside. Can you give them a kiss? Can we have a kiss? Ah, thank you. Alright. You're so close from the camera, they cannot even see you. Alright guys, we will see you in the next one.